Yes, well, me say, preko, opa kohoro preko. Kohoro no kama. Yan ho nyina house, obefi onu asan kwa bonti no asan kwa nufi no aba.
Ola no naturally no wagimi kakra. Meba. I'm family. Onima some American. We are going to build industries. We will nyanya asasem bi ebisa because ebisa asasem no benya wo hen. Man fuck you asasem wo dia. Don't make me angry. What are you talking about? Like be progressive.
This is an honorable talking. Utimi sikwasia abua. What is this? No, but sometimes I feel say utterances no or feel say or ye ni passing obio. Hello, baby of you. Jack is here about Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. But just subscribe and subscribe it. Be the 2 man I will say enya I can be. Yes, well. Me say preko. Opa kohoro preko. Kohoro no kama. Yan ho nyina house. Obefi onu asan kwa bonti no asan kwa nufi no aba. Asame na making. Share honorable no ye money kwa. A plus or you'll be a time I'm time no, but the utterances a yet time. Or be a work with the MP as say people look up to you. The way he talks. Nana say UTV. Nothing na Missy Flap FM. Young could see in summer A plus kind now one casa would say be a Ubos of papa way or here mental what diagnosis.
To me better and I won't always say what about them. The first day that be Olano naturally in Wajimi Kakra. I'm family. Only some American. The first day I try I say we are going to build a special economic zone. We are going to build industries. We will nyanya asasem bi ebisa because ebisa asasem no benya wo hen. Man fuck you asasem wo dia. Don't make me angry. What are you talking about? Like be progressive. If I am not shatawale de bia no we gba no be progressive. Be progressive. We are talking about building road. We are talking about this. You are going back because we know where Jimmy.
That your wonderful.
What are you talking about?
Wonderful. No, don't do that. You bring peace. And the other yet.
Me person tio. You be o na gbe say oh e bia me ban ade na ye de be. No, me person elevate ade to another level who say akon oto on your bodan for. Don't go there.
This is an honorable talking. Utimi sikwasia abua. What is this? No, but sometimes I feel say utterances no or feel say or ye ni passing obio. Share Ghana ntio na uye member of parliament and wonye obia o. Sebe edu ye to aba me na me to aba ma. In effect you are my servant. Yes. In effect uko UK a member of parliament no omo from normal bus because they want you to see the frustration. Ghana na sebe ageni ninti ye resume to some status bia member of parliament be V8. What the V8 ni ye? What the V8 no ye de? Ye road na enya no faso so that what pass law na e be maru ye road no aye no. Na A plus ho enye first time wakasa ni but now me feel say owura ho no sebe obey Tony down kakra but it looks as if because look at the insult on the man, a fellow man. Because he thinks now he's somebody. And maybe I make catch him who say, moderator bit to say gifty empress. When you're journalist, so banana because when you are moderating now, you shouldn't be biased or set. But he was. Because A plus here MP went to me crying catch and say he should retract. Such way not a national TV people are looking up to. Na me dey conform what we know so because I didn't me I'll walk out and I'll show that man say you know he's nobody than anybody. It is high time man your mouth a position now you live up to that billing. Sabe language now we use no we MP. It's in Kolano mo kurom says see almost that some more young for aboa ne kwase a na kire omo. Mumu ame why na kire omo A plus. because sabe yes omniom die echi no omhwe ne omkọ anim we a symbol for many youth baby a hu na obobo nyom bebom ni dia bebom de ben o ya na ne we you have become somebody that people look up to. It's my choice of words enye correct kakra na wontimi nka nche obi se oni nyansa enye bia ye ka cho se woni nyansa ebe ya ode Ghana na abanefo na sebe member of parliament kura no qualification bi ani yes unko school da kura betimi akọ na nka nkofo nkwa se mra amaye de ade na omunye lawyers obi wo hot member of parliament wo nko school da mra be no betimi asama me ibisamo new per qualification no they don't have any qualification into obi asore a no akwatran 4 years yeah because obenya ex gratia we need to up the game A+. Baby awadu no you are no more a pandit onye entertainment pandit be more you are an MP sa honorable na people call you no make sure say you live up to it and ko gina baby na nkasa basa project no we been following you are doing well but we kasa airtime you need to stop that thing. You need to reason like a grown man now and say to myself, "Sir, honorable enough. You have to earn the title." Maybe I may say, we don't demand it, you earn it. And how do you earn it? By your actions and utterances. Now, Kofi say, "Oh, Papa, I feel there. Baby, I will do no. Yeah. Pacho, a word to a wise is enough. I expose you, FM Bros. Subscribe, share me to my announcement. Can be man was.